Ooh.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, yeah.
Ooh. That's good. So this is a ski lift at Fort Wainwright, Birch Hill, Alaska. Pretty good park, a lot of jumps, a lot of rails. Pretty busy, a lot of really good people that come out here. I think there's 7 or 8 runs total, and the chairlift takes you right under the main feature run with all the jumps and stuff like that. So it takes about 5 minutes to get to the top. Let's see what he's got. Oh yeah. What you got? What you got? Ooh. Big slap. It is a beautiful day here. I think it's about 20 degrees, sunshine, no clouds. Very beautiful day to go skiing or snowboarding. I think the ski lift might be about, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 feet up. Definitely don't want to jump off, but it's not too scary. Let's see what this guy's got. Oh, kind of cool. Kind of cool. He dropped it though. Ooh, good splash. My favorite is to sit here in the chairlift and watch people fall. It is kind of a double whammy because you either make your trick and people can cheer for you, or you fall and smash your face and people get to laugh. So, could be awesome, could be embarrassing. Not too off from the top now. Got the unload shack up there. So there's some more runs that once you exit, if you go left to the left side of the hill, a lot of different more runs, some more wood runs, ungroomed powder. Over here in these woods, they have a couple of trails cut out. You can't really see them, but they're back there. So overall, it's a really nice ski hill for people in the Fairbanks area, especially if you're military with base access. You gotta have base access to get here. Let's see what this guy's got. Nothing. Come on, give me something good. There's somebody in the woods. Cutting through the woods. A couple of wood runners. This guy looks confident. Come on, let's see something. Let's see something. What you got? Oh, ooh, that's what I'm talking about. That's good. I'm glad I was able to capture that so you can see what I'm talking about. You fall right in front of the chairlifts. It is pure entertainment. This guy looks brave. What you got, buddy? Nope. Just a little jump. What you got? Come on, show me something. Oh, little jump, little jump. Oh. See, and I love the newbies. New people that come up here. And they're super confident until they're up on the top of the hill, and then they realize they gotta go all the way down. Oh yeah, come on, get it, buddy. Don't fall. Don't fall. Yeah. Oh, that was we got a twofer. A 2-for-1 wipeout. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know if you see that. It looks like a log over there where those people are. That's a long rail that's got to be 30 feet. And I've been trying to hit it all season. I can only make it about halfway. And I just either fall or jump off early. So that's what I've been working on the past couple of months, and I just cannot get the entire thing. Well, here we are. We're getting to the top. So come check out Birch Hill. If you want to ski or snowboard, it's really fun. So I'm gonna go shred.